Hi, welcome again to All Round Vending's channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fit the machine through a very narrow door. Let's have a look. First of all, in order to fit the machine through a narrow door, we have to remove this plate that is also located at the bottom. The first thing that we have to do is to remove the front lip. We get a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws, and then the front lip comes out. Then we have to remove all the screws that are around. These same screws are also located on the top, so just remember, before pulling this out, we have to remove the screws on the top as well. Once they are all removed, we can simply pull and the plate comes out. This allows the machine to fit through narrow doors. Basically, what you do once you remove the bottom one as well is that you wheelie the machine through in an angle and then turn it to go through. Once you have your machine located where you want to place it, you have to put everything back together. Remember to put back again all the screws, all on the top, all at the bottom, and all the ones that secure the lip. Once the machine is ready, we can turn it on and then it's ready to go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.